Thank you. So I'm Åke Jernberger from H&D Wireless. I'm Vice President of R&D there. And I don't know if anyone of us, you have heard about us before, but I will do a quick presentation, not about the company, but how we evolved and how our products evolved. So we've been around since 2009. Got a lot of awards for red herring, and we was on the New Technique 33 list, if you noticed that. And so we evolved from doing Wi-Fi modules to systems. So starting out, we are experts in doing hardware for wireless. And we also have a very good software design team doing software for embedded, extremely small processors. So we started out doing these. It's not chips. There are actually several chips inside these small modules. And also doing the software, making it easy to use on small Atmel processors, on SD processors, whatever processors you like. And also making modules with screens and with antennas, which are required to do them FCC approved. And if they're FCC approved, you can use them, and you still have to do EMC testing, but don't have to do any filing with FCC. And all of this is Wi-Fi, and just one point to make when everyone talk about low power, I think still Wi-Fi is the lowest power per bit. So you need to think what you want to send and what you want to receive also when you choose your wireless technology. And so we were aiming at everything that wasn't cell phones or PCs, that was the region for the Wi-Fi. So in home equipment, security, digital multimedia, smart home appliances, and also enterprises. And we've been doing very well. We have sold up to 1 million of these modules up to date, so it's doing fine. And this was Gartner's hype cycle for emerging technologies from 2014. And you can see Internet of Things at the peak there. It's where you have the inflated expectations of Internet of Things. And so we were right, doing the things that we're doing. But what we were doing was that, okay, you can connect our modules. We also did some reference design for temperature sensors, and also a power metering plug that you can put in that tells you what power you're using in an outlet, and you can turn it off and on. And of course, it's IP based, since it's Wi-Fi, so you can connect it easily. But then customers started saying, oh, I don't have a display on my thing. I don't know how to connect to Wi-Fi. Well, how do I connect to Wi-Fi and make it easy for the customers? So we had to do something. So what we came up with was a communication protocol that was secure, and it's patented now. And you could set up very easily with an app, because the smartphone was coming about. And you can connect it to your network, and you can also do something with your apps. Then you say, okay, what am I going to do now? I'm connected. Yeah, you can control it with an app. Oh, nice. So we have been doing helping out companies like LG for their air conditioners with their apps and so on. And then they say, well, what if a customer leaves home? What are we going to do? They cannot be on the network anymore with the smartphone. So next step was to make a cloud server and have an interface to that one too. So now this is the basis for our company, I would say. We do the modules, and we have a cloud service, and we have the smartphone apps that you connect. So then you have the basis, and you can build anything IoT that you like. So going from just delivering hardware, we're helping customers from being a company that sells a refrigerator to selling a service to the customer, which is a big change for a lot of companies, I can say. And a lot of this is because there are a lot of things. There are the Google iHome and so on, they're coming, but there's no real standard for how to do this. If you're a small manufacturer of a home appliance, you have nowhere to go. You have to invent your own system or use a company like us to have the cloud connection and so on. So our offer today is that we do the modules, and they are on SthlmHW.se. We do turnkey products. We help our customer to use our modules in their products and develop them from idea to a box, including smartphone apps and so on. And we also do now a whole system for enterprises, business. The latest we do is that we do positioning for tracking assets or tracking people in a mall or whatever it may be. And the interesting is to look at the Gartner chart for 2016. And you can look, there are no more IoT on there. The thing that is coming on rising is IoT platforms. So they've noticed that this is a new thing coming. So thank you. And I'm 8 seconds left, so it's your last slide. So